there were some celebrations that happened despite the protest that continues because they have been waiting for the formal order that can be issued on part of the West Bengal government as the Chief Minister approved of their demands. We want justice slogans also resonated at the protest side. However, sitting in the opposition, the BJP has taken on the Mamata Sarkar. As BJP's Amit Malviya goes after Mamata Banerjee to Chief Minister, saying that she's finally bitten dust and she has been agreeing to most of the demands. That means that there was a possible cover-up. This is how BJP has renewed that Mamata must go pitch, and rather has now been saying that this development must also have included when it comes to the resignation of the Chief Minister, because Mamata Banerjee is both the Health Minister and also when it comes to the Home Minister of West Bengal. And in a way, here is the BJP trying to suggest that this move by Mamata Banerjee only goes ahead to prove that there was a certain cover-up, and Mamata Banerjee has let go of a loyalist, according to BJP's Amit Malviya, to save her seat of the Chief Minister as the Chief Minister of West Bengal. Let's quickly take a look at what Amit Malviya of the BJP had to say while when it comes to this development of most of the demands that have now been agreed by the TMC government. He goes on to say, and I quote, Mamata Banerjee bites the dust, is forced now to remove the Commissioner of Kolkata Police and his Deputy DC North. Both DHS and DME have also the topmost health officials. They have also been sacked, saying that in short, Mamata Banerjee admits to the cover-up in the Arjikar Medical College and Hospital rape case. She also concedes that a criminal syndicate is running West Bengal's healthcare. He goes on to say, and I quote, that Mamata Banerjee sacrificed her loyalists to save her chief ministership. She must step down as all of these people were acting at her behest. She is both the Home and the Health Minister of West Bengal. The Commissioner of Kolkata Police, who reports directly to the CM herself, actively eliminated all evidence of crime, disclosed identity of the victim, while DC North offered money to the grieving family to hush up the matter. The irony is that these tainted officers, instead of being punished like Sandeep Ghosh, will be accommodated in alternate plum positions. There is no justice. This is just hogwash. And saying that this is in a manner now over to the Supreme Court when the next hearing takes place. This is what Amit Malviya has to say to bring those responsible for the ghastly rape and murder of the young lady doctor and the subsequent cover-up to justice, including the Chief Minister. She can no longer evade a responsibility. That is how the BJP, now sitting in the opposition in West Bengal, has been reacting, saying that yes, multiple demands of the protesting doctors has now been agreed upon, but when it comes to the Chief Minister herself to save her seat, loyalists have let go of their positions. But what happens next, that remains to be seen when it comes to will the protesting doctors now give up their protest. Even when it comes to Shubhendu Adhikari of the BJP, let's quickly take a look at what he says and I quote, that the minutes of the meeting suggest that a compromise has reached between both parties to end the stalemate. However, for the ends of justice, mere transfer of few officers will not be sufficient. Those who played an important role in tampering evidence must be put behind bars. Whatever happened following the brutal rape and murder in order to cover up cannot be the handiwork of few officials. Everyone knows that in West Bengal, in order to move a pin or an elephant, things don't happen without the order or instructions or the consent of Mamata Banerjee. He further goes on to say, so Mamata Banerjee is very much responsible as the Health and Home Minister for this entire situation. She should not only resign, but her role in the whole matter should also be properly investigated. That is how Shubhendu Adhikari of the BJP has been reacting. The BJP, mainly Sabyasachi, saying that this is not enough when it comes to agreeing to the demands, because according to them, they are just puppets who are following orders. Main is the resignation of Mamata Banerjee. That hasn't happened.